What is matrix or matrices? The representation of data of a given concept in a rectangular array with particular rows and columns is called a matrix, and this is denoted by parentheses or only brackets. If A is a matrix and its order is m into m cross n or m by n, then here m is a number of rows and n is the number of columns. Now we know the types of matrix. First we go to zero matrix, or it also can be told that null matrix or empty matrix. Okay, what is zero matrix? A matrix whose all the elements are all zero is called a zero matrix. The matrix having elements only zero, this matrix is called a zero matrix. Then transpose matrix. Transpose of a given matrix can be found out by changing its rows into column and vice versa. What is this? Now suppose A is a matrix, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Then its transpose will be denoted by AT, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Here see that the order, that is 2 into 3, is changed into 3 into 2, that is 3 rows and 2 columns. The transpose matrix can be denoted by AT, or A dash. If a matrix is the order of m cross n, then its transpose will be the order of n into m. Okay, transpose of a transpose matrix is the given matrix. What is this? That is A transpose or transpose equal to A. Now we go to row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix with a single row is called a row matrix. It have no columns. That is, yes, it has no columns. A matrix with a single row is called a row matrix. A matrix with a single row is called a row matrix. That is, it has no many matrices. It is the order of 1 is to n, where n belongs to capital N. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and its order is 1 plus 5 or 1 by 5. Then column matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix with a single column is called a column matrix. That is, it has only one column and no any other column. That is one column. It is the order of m into m cross 1. That is, where m belongs to n. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, m. And transpose of a row matrix is a column matrix and vice versa. If we find transpose of a row matrix, it become a column matrix, and if we find transpose of a column matrix, then we get a row matrix. Now we go to square matrix. What is square matrix? A square matrix whose number of rows and columns is equal is called a square matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 of order 2 is to 2. 2 plus 2. Now we go to diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are all 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Here see that this is the diagonal, and This is the diagonal and 0 and 0 are the non-diagonal element. If these are 0, then the matrix will be diagonal. Whatever may be its diagonal element. Now we go to scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix whose all diagonal elements are equal is called scalar matrix. I will tell that this is the diagonal. Here the scalar matrix must be diagonal. That is, the non-diagonal elements are all 0 and the diagonal elements are equal. Now we go to identity matrix, or it can also be told that unit matrix. A scalar matrix whose diagonal elements are all 1 is called identity matrix. Suppose that is, let a matrix 1 0 0 1. The diagonal elements are all 1 and the non-diagonal elements are 0. The identity matrix can be denoted by IN or simply I. Now, equality of matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they have the same order and corresponding elements are equal. Suppose two matrices A and A is A, B, C, D, and another matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we said to be they are equal if A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, and D equal to 4. Now we go to additive identity. What is that? If we add any matrix to a given matrix, then we get the given matrix. That is 0 m cross n is the additive identity with respect to addition on m cross n matrix. What is that? Now let's consider A is a matrix of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the 0 matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. If we add A and 0, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, the same matrix, that is A. So 0 is the additive identity. Now we have to remember this thing, that is K transpose equal to K of A transpose, where K is a scalar matrix. In product of two matrices A and B, A is called as the prefactor and B is called as the post factor. We have to also remember that transpose of A, B equal to B transpose and A transpose. Similarly, we can find the transpose of A, B, and C matrix is C transpose, B transpose, and A transpose of all are multiplied. Now we go to orthogonal matrix. A square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A dash equal to A dash A equal to I. That is, multiplication of a matrix with its transpose, we get the identity matrix. That is, for example, 1 0 0 1. Now we go to idempotent matrix. A square matrix A is called a idempotent matrix if A cross n square equal to 1. That is, for example, 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now next we go to involuntary matrix. A square matrix A is said to be involuntary if A square equal to I. That is, if A is a matrix and we multiply it with the same matrix, we get the identity matrix. For example, 1 0 0 1. It may if A is a square matrix of order 2. Now we go to nilpotent matrix. A square matrix A is called a nilpotent matrix if if there exists a positive integer m such that am equal to 0. What is this? We multiply a with m times. With m times we get the zero matrix. Now we go to symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be symmetric if A equal to A transpose. So for example, AHG, HBF, GFC. Then it is GFC. If we get A equal to A transpose, then the matrix will be symmetric. And then we go to a matrix, skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A equal to minus A transpose. Now we get A equal to minus A transpose. What is that? Now calculate A is a matrix. A is a matrix and A transpose is this transpose matrix. Then if A equal to a minus A transpose, that we said that the matrix will be skew symmetric. Then we go to inverse matrix. We can find inverse of a square matrix only, not the rectangular matrices. Whose inverse exists? The matrix whose inverse exists is called a inverse matrix, invertible matrix. Please like and subscribe my channel.